We are going to study engineering mechanics from question number 204 to 250. In this slide, we only know the answer of the question. In other video, we will discuss the solution and explanation of questions, numerical types questions. First question 204 is a man wishes to move a block of size 2 meter into 2 meter weighing 100 kg. Coefficient of friction between block and floor is 0.3. How he can move it with least effort? Answer will be B. Tip it over. Next question. The product of mass and velocity is known as. We know that the product of mass and velocity is known as momentum. Answer will be D. Next question. For a machine to be self-locking, its efficiency should be. For self-locking machine, its efficiency should be more than 50%. Answer will be D. Next 207. Efficiency of a screw jack with helix angle alpha and coefficient of friction mu is equal to. Efficiency of a screw jack is 10 alpha by 10 alpha plus 5. Next 208. The efficiency of a screw jack is maximum when its helix angle alpha is equal to. Efficiency will be maximum when helix angle alpha is equal to 45 degree minus 5 by 2. Next question 9. Maximum efficiency of a screw jack for angle of friction phi is. Maximum efficiency of a screw jack is 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi. Next question. The velocity of a mass of 5 kg after falling a height of 5 meter from rest would be approximately equal to under root 2gh. 2gh. From here we can find answer will be 2 into 5 into 10. 100 means under root 100 is equal to 10. B. Next question. A body whose true weight is 14 grams appeared to weigh 13 grams when weighted by means of a spring balance in a moving lift. What was the acceleration of lift at that time? Acceleration of lift at that time will be 0.7 meter per second square. Next 12 number question. A ball is thrown up. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy will be maximum at sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. We know that the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is always constant or maximum. Law of conservation of energy से 213. The value of acceleration due to gravity at two places A and B is g1 and g2. The weight of body when carried from A to B will be multiplied by g2 by g1. Answer will be B. Next question. Energy is defined as capacity of doing work and rate of doing work is known as power. Next question. Moment of inertia of a body does not depend upon angular velocity of body. Moment of inertia does not depend angular velocity of body. It's depend mass of body because mk square distribution of mass in the body, axis of rotation of the body. Next 216. Power is defined as rate of doing work. Next question 217. A jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. A wound watch spring possesses energy stored in the form of. Watch possesses energy, mechanical potential energy. Work is equal to force into distance, Fs. When a horse pulls a cart, he moves forward by the force he exerts on the ground. When a horse pulls a car, he moves forward by the force he exerts on the ground. A rubber ball strikes a wall and rebounds. A lead ball of the same mass and velocity strikes the same wall and fall down. Which is the following statement is correct? Because the change in momentum suffered by lead ball is less than that of rubber ball. Next question, a ball which covers maximum distance when it is kicked at certain angle to the horizontal. This angle is 45 degree. Next question 223. An elastic rod 1 meter long of negligible weight hangs downward from a support. In one case, a load is applied on rod 20 cm below the support, and in other case the same load is applied at bottom of rod. The reaction at support in these two cases will be same. Answer will be B. Next question, in SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Next, 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Next question, the angular velocity of a particle changes from 69 to 71 rpm in 30 seconds. Its angular acceleration is in revolution per minute is equal to angular acceleration change in velocity by time 1/2 minute. Change in velocity to rpm by 1/2 minute will be 4. Answer will be C. Next question, if u1 and u2 are the velocities of approach of two moving bodies in the same direction and their corresponding velocity of separation are v1 and v2, then as per Newton's law of collision of elastic body, the coefficient of restitution E is given by. We know that coefficient of restitution is relative velocity of separation by relative velocity of approach. Answer will be C, v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2. Momentum is defined as, this question is repeated, momentum is defined as mass into velocity mv. Which of the following have same unit? Momentum and impulse, stress and pressure, work and kinetic energy and potential energy all has same dimension. Answer will be C, dimension and unit. 230. For perfectly elastic body, the value of coefficient of restitution is 1. Answer will be C. Next question, a body moves down a smooth inclined plane, and if same body is dropped vertically downward from the same height as of inclined plane top, then following parameter on reaching the ground will be same: velocity, momentum, kinetic energy. Velocity, momentum and kinetic energy, all of them. Rate of change of momentum is proportional to the, according to Newton's second law of motion, rate of change of momentum is proportional to impressed force. Next, a ball of mass 1 kg moves with a velocity of 2 meter per second, collides directly on a stationary ball of mass 2 kg and comes to rest after impact. The velocity of the second ball after impact will be, according to conservation of momentum, m1 v1 बराबर m2 v2. m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. We can find answer will be C, 1 meter per second. Next, the unit of momentum are same as of impulse. Next, a ball weighing w kg strike the ground at angle alpha as shown in figure 10.31 and is deflected at angle beta. The coefficient of restitution will be 10 alpha by 10 beta. In RK Jain, answer is given C, but we know that coefficient of restitution is unit less and here W is multiplied, and it is not possible. Answer will be A, 10 alpha by 10 beta. Impulse is defined as force into time. The masses of two balls are in the ratio of 2:1 and their respective velocity are in the ratio of 1:2, but in the opposite direction before impact. If the coefficient of restitution is 1/2, the velocity of separation of the ball will be equal to original velocity in the opposite direction. Answer will be D. Next question. The work done by a body in moving down a smooth inclined plane in comparison to being dropped vertically downward from same height will be equal. Next, a body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v hits another body of same mass at rest and strikes to it. The velocity of both together will be equal to. A body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v hits another body of same mass at rest and strikes to it. The velocity of both together will be equal to v by 2. Answer will be D. Next question. A marble ball is rolled on a smooth floor of a room to hit a wall. If the time taken by the ball is returning to the point of projection is twice the time taken in reaching the wall, the coefficient of restitution between the ball and the wall is. We know that coefficient of restitution is velocity of separation by velocity of approach, that is V. Answer will be 1/2 means 0.5. Next question. 241. Rate of change of momentum takes place in the direction of applied force according to Newton's second law of motion. If the momentum of a given body is double, its kinetic energy will be. Momentum of a given body is doubled, its kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy K1 by K2 is equal to P1 by P2 का square. Means if the momentum of a given body is doubled, its kinetic energy will increase by 4 times. If a ball which is dropped from a height 2.25 meter on a smooth floor attains the height of bounce equal to 1 meter, the coefficient of the restitution between the ball and the floor is equal to 0.67. Answer will be C. A ball moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second impinges on a fixed plate at an angle of 45 degree. Its direction after impact is equally inclined to the line of impact. If coefficient of restitution is 0.5, the velocity of ball after impact will be, answer will be 2.5 meter per second. Pick up the correct statement from the followings. A rubber ball when strikes a wall rebounds, but a lead ball of same mass and velocity when strike the same wall fall down. The change in momentum suffered by lead ball is less than that of rubber ball. Answer will be B. It is also repeated question. Next, two pieces of steel and brass weight 2 kg and 1 kg fall freely under action of gravity from a tower. After a distance, the following will be identical. Acceleration. The value of g, gravitational acceleration, is constant. 247. If a solid and a hollow sphere of the same mass are allowed to roll down on inclined plane simultaneously, then solid sphere will reach the ground first. Answer will be A. Next, if a light and a heavy body have equal kinetic energy of translation, then light body will have small momentum. Light and heavy body have equal kinetic energy. Lighter body will have a smaller light body will have a smaller momentum. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Pick up the correct statement. The kinetic energy of body before impact is equal to kinetic energy of after impact. It is not correct. The kinetic energy of body before impact is less than the kinetic energy of body after impact. It is also not correct. The kinetic energy of the body before impact is more than that of impact. Answer will be C. Next, 250. Periodic time of a particles moving with simple harmonic motion is the time taken by the particle for complete oscillation. Periodic time of a particle moving with simple harmonic motion is the time taken by the particle for complete oscillation. It is called periodic time. Answer will be complete oscillation. If a particle moves in a circle of radius r with a velocity v, then its acceleration towards the center is equal to v square by r. It is also called centrifugal tension. The value of acceleration due to gravity at poles compared to at equator is greater. We know that the gravitational acceleration at the pole is about 10 meter per second square and at equator is 9.81 meter per second square. Hence, answer will be greater. The value of acceleration due to gravity at pole as compared to equator is greater. It was all about 50 questions from R.K. Jain Engineering Mechanics from 200 to 250. In next slide we will study from 253 to 300. Thanks.